So I'm probably gonna time lapse this whole video, because really it's just supposed to be a get ready, that's it, a get ready with me before I film kind of video. Get ready with me to film a video. The video that I'm getting ready for in this video that's already going to be up is an Amazon haul. So yeah, can I just get it together? I've been using this brow conditioning primer from Benefit. It's like got a little rubber brush thing. You see that thing in the middle? That's the product. So when you twist it, it comes out of the middle there. I love this stuff because it helps you to brush. Basically, you brush your brows where you want them to be, and it kind of sets them. What I do is once I shape my eyebrows and I pencil them in, I usually go back over it with the Benefit thing again, and it sets it in place. It's gonna be one of them days when your eyebrows are jacked up. Guys, look at the light. This is just the sun. Like, I don't even have no filter. This is the real color of the living room. Like, this little Dyson thing is the best blow dryer, but I find it really difficult to use the nozzle. If you want to be precise, like precise straightening, I think if the hair was wet, then I'd probably go in with this, but it's already kind of semi-dry and I don't have the time to like really wet it down the way I want to, and I don't have time to really I'm not going to straighten it. I kind of want to just put some kinks in it, or I might leave it a little bit wavy. I just didn't want it to be out of control because I had wet it before. So that's why I'm going through it. You might not even see me curl this hair right now. This hair is by Nadula. Usually I buy my hair from Nadula. Love Nadula. You want some good hair? Nadula and You Nice Hair. I have my reservations about Julia, because of the way they done me with that last hair I had. The hair they sent me was just bad. It was thick here at the top of the hair, thick all here, straggly all the way down. I was just really upset because, and then the argument they gave me in the email, because I said to them, what is this that you sent me? And they had the audacity to say, you should buy the 10A grade hair. I said, okay, that's how you do in your paying customers, okay? I have no doubt in my mind, they've got good hair, they're just giving it to the influencers who they feel can benefit them. The customers that are paying their money are the customers you need to look after, okay? And they don't do. Hair is an expensive game. I don't mind paying a certain amount of money for hair. Don't try and tell me because I haven't bought 10A hair, I should expect for the quality not to be good. None of these places should be selling hair that isn't fit for purpose. 60% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. Call in all queens. Subscribe for the ride, honey. Make sure them post notifications are on. Isn't it crazy how what a difference like the sun makes to like a person's mood? Girl, my face is looking snatched today. Is that okay? Is that how I'm going on? SJ, my beautiful boo. We support each other on Instagram. She's actually on TikTok. Literally, she was like, boo, you need to get your videos on TikTok because they will love you. So cute, so genuine and so beautiful. She doesn't have to be that way. She doesn't know me from a can of paint. She even gave me suggestions on like capturing certain funny parts of my video and putting those up on TikTok. I just need to get it together because at the moment TikTok is another job. Do you know what I mean? Like it feels that way. Like it feels like it's another something to do. So I have to now that I'm getting like more, I'm really working hard to be more consistent on my YouTube, so it's a little bit difficult, but she's been amazing. I'm gonna put a TikTok up on here. You need some real ones in your life. So shout out to you, boo. I'm gonna do a video. I was thinking about doing a video talking about what my decision, about why I decided to be on here, why I decided to do this. I want to say this bit here now and just keep it real. Like, if you really want to start this, you can start it. There's no reason for you to be in your head about it, because you can be in your head until it's your time, honey, until it's time for you to go, to leave the earth. That's what fear does. Fear will distract you from actually doing anything about what it is that you want to do. So if you want to do this, literally, there's no remedy, there's no magic pill, there's no nothing. You need to just do it. I understand the fear, the reservation, because trust me, I went through all of that before I started. And then I realized that, you know what, I can do all of that, but at what point am I actually going to do this, you know? So let go of the fear, do what it is you need to do, get it done. You can do this, girl. Why did I tongue this hair this way around? I don't know. You can do this. Like, don't sit on it, don't delay. You only get one life. Don't sit down there waiting for other people to come into agreement with what it is you want to do either. You need to do this because you want to do it, and do it for yourself. Because I tell you something, if you're waiting for anyone around you to make the decision for you, then you're not going to enjoy the process. And you know what as well, some people might need to try it just to see whether or not it's something that is for them. And there's nothing wrong with trying it and then realizing from trying that you don't want to do it. Do you know what I mean? It's not something that's for you. There's nothing wrong with that. So if you're thinking about doing it, do it. Especially don't wait on no friends, no family to support you. You have to support you. You have to be your biggest cheerleader. You don't need the validation of anyone. That's a really bad place to be in your head if you're waiting for the validation of friends, family, I don't care who it is. Don't ever give anyone that power. So firstly, get your mind right. You get confident about you. You be your biggest cheerleader. You like what you're doing. If no one ain't commenting on your stuff, it's okay. It will come. All of that will come. It's not necessary right now. You're focusing on the wrong things. Will they like my videos? Will I look silly? Will I look whatever? Honey, if you sit down there worrying about anyone or anything before you do it, you will never ever do it. Just live your life. Live it for you. Sit down, pray on it, talk to God, tell him what your fears are, ask him to remove that fear, because you know, fear, confusion, anxiety, depression, all of that is not of him. It don't come from him. So you need to pray. That is literally what I did. This is the the end of this one. 22 minutes 54 seconds, 55. I'm done. So this was a makeup and a hair look. It is very soft, kind of glam. I am now gonna get on to film an Amazon haul, which I haven't filmed in a long time. If you're following me, you know I love a good Amazon. Girls always on Amazon. So yeah, stay tuned. If you haven't already, subscribe for the ride. Make sure you turn on your post notification, guys, so you know when I'll be uploading another video. Yeah, and I'll see you in the Amazon haul.